Hey there, welcome back to Spirit of a Handyman. Just wanted to share some before and after pictures of the latest project that I took on with my team. I have a team of 4 people, another carpenter, and then 3 people who are at varying stages of learning how to do carpentry. Some are more at grunt labor, but we took on this project that was designed by a company called 3 Day Kitchen and Bath. Feel free to check them out online. They do some incredible projects. They basically plan everything out 6 weeks ahead of time. They organize the building crew as some subcontractors. That was me. And they have all the materials shows up Monday. A dumpster shows up Monday. We have the electrician and the plumber. And then I hired a drywall and a painter. And we just worked from like sun up to sundown, 5 days in a week. And these are the pictures from before and after for the master bath and the half bath. Is that a crazy project or what? But I want to share this just to show that if I can do this, then you can too. With enough coordination, enough of a plan, anything can happen. Here's that half bath with the wallpaper and stuff. So comment down below if you've taken on any kind of crazy projects like that. Would you do a 3-day, 4-day, 5-day bathroom remodel? And would you be up for it if you had the plans in place? Click that subscribe button and stay tuned for more updates from Spirit of a Handyman.